responsibility of parliamentarians elected for that matter MPs. Their key role is legislation. Legislation now nekugari kurora mawatho
Nukumathondeka.
Yes.
Neo aturi a watho.
Na kumaikia kabiru. Yes. Na kumathurima. Na magacenjia haria mona hagire. Yes.
Nayo interpretation igatigirwo ruhonge rwa magoti.
Negwa. Yeni. Of course nake AG ataraga please them.
AG ni mutari munene wa thirikari maundu ma kiwatho.
JB. Yani nehire we.
Attorney General.
AG.
Alumni speaker athi Attorney General.
Chief Government Legal Advisor. Yes. Dio. Okay, judiciary, legislative, the executive, of course, is led by His Excellency the President.
The President in a cabinet.
Yes. Legislation. Of course, the mage float a maudo. Mamwe mage tekirika ni wenzake. Mamwe makarego. Na kwari ebirwe ya ho kazi ya reto ni mwagi wa iria yari ethie bunge.
No yakinyire.
Wewe maundu maingi ma mwesimo mwagi wa iria maruga keno.
Ono ndero na tayarengeire keno.
Oranga ndi akinyire haria karogi.
Kade kinya maragwe kihunduka. Ndiraririka ne gikinya bunge.
Ndona running mate wa iria atangathirwo kirori iguru. There is this MP wa kuma kura wetagwo riri. Is it Fafi? Yes.
Mubunge wa Fafi ni akoretwo in the news kiumia giki.
Fafi is in the Garissa County.
Ko ne county ya Garissa.
I think her name is Salah who?
Salah Yakub.
Of course has been in the news. Tondu niwe urenda kurehe muswada urio ugiongerera the term limit and the retirement age of a sitting president.
Ajore arendekithia term limit yeherio.
Yes.
Limit ikoragwo no miaka.
President aritayage na gacoka kuringana mawoni make ari president akaritaya ari o mwanake munini wa miaka 75. Jaba nini ya wira.
Fire takurite muno.
Yes. Well, on a blanket approach, I don't see that seeing the light of day, but anything is possible. Yes.
Anything is possible.
When I go to His Excellency the President in his wise council, he has to do something called presidential assent. Yes. Yes. No achuthe ngiro vao. Yes.
Because he is 55 as we speak.
Yes.
Ugo ne kuga watho cio gikihituka na gwitwike niguo na niguo ri.
Yes.
Ne kuga no agiana ne miaka gibao.
Now we are just looking at all the possibilities. There is also the possibility ari watho cio gihituka ri. Baba ngina
aludi
no agitie 2027. You can know you complicate maundu.
No utume maundu manyitane.
Yes. Na kereu baba ri nake kuku wari tuhe
kwanyita wake kungejitana muno.
Ni weka sheria munitoe.
Neza watu kwa list.
Wanaka watu ni ngoe. Na unataka ujiongeze miaka.
Unfortunately for him,
yes,
capping yekirwa ya miaka ri.
He's already out.
Technically eja.
Technically.
That is very unfair.
Oh no, okay. Again to go get it. Mwini. Wagina. Hena udwarasi ajirie kidogo. Watu keka udukare haria. And you see, within the East African region, I think Kenya and Tanzania know they talk about constitutional term limits of the president.
Kenya na Tanzania president yako na limit ya tamu igiri wathana tamu igiri ugathonga.
And even our presidential elections are largely considerably democratic. Yes,
we compare na our neighbors.
Tondu ngirora riu kundu toyanda
that is quite far behind us.
Rwanda
Yo.
They have a very nice looking president out here.
Kinifika ground.
Ground. Kwenda guthia 98%.
No, that is abnormal.
Kwenda guthia 98% of the vote cast. Cia presidential.
Na Museveni giki kiri woga ndari.
Yes. Maetoka with the flying colors. You see, when you look at the elections we had, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, imagine the sitting president, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, you will see there is a good aspect of democracy in there.
Actually, we very tight competition.
It is neck and neck. You couldn't no get at the mode like a campaign count is the 47. I guess you are Jacoya. Kana cia ata gwate yongi ithe wa mumemerekia
mwaure
yes na muri eri ndio ganda gutirwo magandu aingi yes tondu aya ngiri uyu munene amba akaruma aya ngio mutigo kiharo nake akuhinyie akunyitithanie na tiri
Resi atiga no hanini
yes
ale kuya ndondo wa democracy quote and quote reke hakorwo tu na mundu uyu
umwe tu wakuwa ni ndiracidire ucio
utikana kirio wagicindire u
riu mundu ta Kagame ri no mena muse etawati what is his name uyu wendagia iritu guku East Africa uyu waragia andu ni hamwiriga Museveni. Normally, what is the big deal about going to President Miaka? Yes, Kagame. Kagame. Yes, Your Excellency. Your Excellency Museveni. What you said? Have you heard what is going on in Kenya? There is a proposal to join us. What do you mean they would like to join us? They're saying the president should go up to 75. Yes, there is no problem with that as long as people agree with you. You see, I kept telling Uhuru he was too young.
Naenda wapi?
Actually, if you compare him to us, he retired as a teenager. I could not agree with you more. These people of Kenya and Tanzania try to look like they are very good and better than us. That's what I'm saying. Wanataka tuonekane sisi tunakatalia mamlaka and it is wananchi who love us. What is wrong with the voters falling in love with you for a long time? It has also been my concern. If people love you, they want you to go for 30 years.
It's okay.
You see, the voice of the people is the voice of God. So if you are loved here and in heaven, in fact, if they called me for advice, I would tell them 75 is a very young man to retire.
No, he do anyita moko.
Or Kagame, what would be your proposal? I would think 82 is a good retirement age, or 85. You see, Sasa, you have very progressive thoughts.
No, but you understand here, Tiriri. Gatima hoku gaikira kapigia tabu igire president.
Yes.
This is where we are coming from.
Yes. You see, Kenya they do too many elections The problem is everyone who comes in has to write a new speech. Me, I use the same speech I used when I came out of the forest. Every time that there is an inauguration, I use a new speech. And the only speech. Now, Dr. Ruto actually had to do a speech. After 10 years, then the other one who comes does a speech. It's too many speeches. Yes, yourself, Kagame, what do you think? How long are you going to be there? As long as the people of Rwanda really admire my leadership skills, I will continue serving them at the level of presidents. You see? You see? You are a bright man. Now, you see, now Uhuru cannot be employed right now. He's a young man who cannot be employed by anyone. Exactly. You're someone, if you are used to something, you cannot change your career. You cannot tell an engineer suddenly to stop and become a doctor. You see? You have very good thoughts. If someone is president, let them retire as president. Because you cannot become MP. Once you are used to presidency, and then the good thing with people like us, we have experience. we don't have to keep being told how to inspect the kind of owners.
I was like an executive order.
No, those people, they don't see anything unusual. In fact, that was a long time coming. It was supposed to come during the Kibaki ages. Yet they will keep talking, those Democrats. In fact, make sure you do a Zoom call with the Shimie and our brothers from Somalia. President by East Africa, no. I think it's Museveni. Yes. Dr. Ruto, there is a proposal that we would like you to adopt so that we stop looking bad. Yes, when we do something in unison, it becomes acceptable. Year 75. Talk to Legacy. I agree with my senior Museveni. If they add a few more years, we can go that way. You see? So, what do you think? Dr. Ruto, what do you think? My friend, where I come from, we embrace democracy. Na mambo ya demokrasia ni mambo ya wananchi. Wananchi watakavyosema ndivyo tutakavyofanya. Hatuwezi fanya kinyume na wananchi ambao wametuweka pale kileleni. You see, sometimes wananchi, they take a lot of time. You need to give them incentives. My friend, mambo ya kukatalia mamlakani, sisi huko tulitoka. It's because you have not stayed there for 9 years and realize you are almost finishing. Right now you are still excited. When you stay first term, second term, you will consider. My friend, I will not consider. Na sitafanya kinyume na matakwa ya mahasla na wananchi walionipatia uwezo wa kuwaongoza. Nilikuwa naongea hivyo when I was your age. When I was a young man like you, I actually had said I'll go 5 years. But it's like wine, it gets sweeter with the age. My friend, I will never. Sitakubali. It is not going to happen under my watch. Watu kubadilisha maneno, wanipatia sijui miaka ngapi, sitakubali. You see, tulikuwa hivyo, ask Kagame.
Museveni atuĩkĩte president ile.
Andũ arĩa maciirwo Museveni atuĩka president nĩ atinĩria kĩande.
Atuĩkĩte president 1986.
86? How many years is that? And again, when you stay in presidency, you don't get old very fast. My friend, I cannot agree. Siwezi kubali maneno mnayo yasema. Na hata mkimuuliza Rigathi atasema vivyo hivyo. Don't involve your deputies in this.
They are heads of state.
This is your call. At least 70, even if it's not 75. Sitaki, I do not want. All right. Let us just go have a sitting with Salva Kiir Mayardit. Then we have a sitting with Ndaya Shimie. Because Samia sent apologies to the meeting. Leave Samia alone. You people are trying to make us look bad, like dictators. Which we are not. We are not dictators. When people love us, they love us. And you root, they love you a lot. Actually, the Asura movement, they gave you a lot of votes. They would not mind another 22 years. My friend. We will have this meeting later in your second term. Maybe you shall have changed your mind.